All I want to do is eat today. Like every single day, but usually I don't. And today I've just been eating.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Oh my god. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, how are you? It's been a while. As you can see, my hair is still straight. Right now, we are on day 4. The good thing that has come out of straightening my hair is I get to realize how dead the ends are. Do you see how it doesn't even like fall down? My next video is probably gonna be me giving myself a haircut. My hair will probably be curly again. And yeah, I'm excited to see how that goes. But for today, I'm gonna be giving myself a lash lift and a brow perm, all with this kit that I got on Amazon. It is from Icon Sign. So it's a lash lift kit, but I saw Twee, Tweely, she's like another YouTuber. She used this to do a brow lamination, which I'm also going to do today. I'm really excited about that because my eyebrows, some of them like go this way, some of them will go like down, all this stuff. So this is what the front looks like, and then you open it and there's all this stuff in here. I don't know if this is a good idea, to be honest. So it says that you need like plastic wrap, like saran wrap. So I'm gonna go grab that real quick. Also, the other thing is I put like baking soda in my hair as like a DIY dry shampoo. Don't ever do that, it doesn't work. I thought it did because I read it somewhere. I was wrong, so yeah. So I got my saran wrap, and now, actually I'm gonna take like these little clippies. I'm just going to, let's do my eyelashes first, right? Okay, so I don't really understand. It says to put the iPads like under the eyelids, and then on the upper part of the eyelid. So I guess I put them on both. I don't really understand, but whatever, I guess. So I got this cotton pad, and step 1, use cleanser number 4 to remove the oil, dust, and makeup residue. Okay, perfect. So this is cleanser number 4. Excuse me. Freaking rude. I just put a bit of the cleanser on here, and it says just to wipe around your eye to get off any dirt or excess residue, which it did. Oh, you can't see that, it's a little brown though. If this is step number 1, why does it say number 4 on the bottle? So I'm also just doing my brows, so like we can do a little 2-for-1. Wow, my face is dirty, okay. Apply the iPads under the eyelids to protect your skin from lotions. Okay, so I've never heard anybody call your under eye under your eyelid, but I guess technically it's under your eyelid. So I guess we're gonna put it there then. I don't understand when it says under your eye. It says under your eye to protect, but these don't fit under my eye. I think it means like you're supposed to buy separate iPads. But you know what? Not all of us know that, okay? So it says put the glue on the iPads and then make sure it's on the upper part of the lid and the eyelid, and make sure it is stayed. Make sure it is stayed. Oh, yeah, that's right. Honestly, you could kind of reuse these, like these iPads. It's like, okay, let's put the first one on, see how this one does. Boop, 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 boop. This better freaking work. Okay, now I'm gonna keep pressing these for 1 minute. So even though these aren't sticking the way I wanted them to, we're gonna keep going. Use the PERM lotion number 1 on the eyelashes and then cover your eyes. Wait, what? To apply glue to the lashes. Ready yet? Ooh, you really gotta use your finger. Okay, so that's as good as it's gonna get, I think. Okay. use perm lotion #1 on the eyelashes and then cover your eyes for 10 minutes with a plastic wrap.
Okay, let's do it.
Also, I do not feel like I'm doing this right. Okay, so then I put the plastic wrap on for 10 to 12 minutes. So that's what we're gonna do. I will see you guys in like 10 minutes, okay? I'm trying to find, I can't see anything. I really hope I shut this off. Okay, I think I stopped it. Okay, so right now I took the saran wrap off. My eyes are kind of burning, not gonna lie. So I'm gonna try and do everything with my eyes closed as much as possible. So this is the Y brush, I think. And it says to remove the perm lotion with the Y brush.
Do you see my nibs anywhere?
No.
No, I didn't put. You stole my nib.
Now it says to apply the fixing lotion. Okay, so now it says to take the fixing lotion. Okay, so now what you're supposed to do is wrap it up again. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this on. This burns so bad.
I tell you.
My eyes are burning so bad.
It's more than halfway gone. Can you get that? Ooh.
Oh my god, they're like up. Okay. So.
Did it work?
Not really.
One eye it did, not the other.
Yeah. Okay, so it kind of worked on this eye, but like it's definitely my fault. Like I definitely didn't do it right, but whatever, you know. Now I'm just gonna take some of this nutrition. Did anybody see that? I'll just take some on my fingy. I'll just rub it on my eye. Oh my god, I'm literally shook about this eye. Okay, if it had worked, it kind of would have been good.
Are you sure about that?
Now I'm gonna do the same steps for my brows. Oh my god, I feel like brows are gonna be like better, you know what I mean? I brush my brow hairs up. And I'm gonna put the lash glue on my eyebrows. Just to keep them, you know? I'm just gonna use this spoolie brush. I'm gonna brush them upwards. Okay, and then I'm gonna take the perm. Just gonna put the perm on it. So grind up. Put it right over half. So then we're gonna do that. Like 10 minutes now, because it's already been like a couple minutes, and I'll be back. Alrighty, that was the perm, and now we have to do the fixation. So I'll be back in 10 to 12. So now it has been 11 minutes. I'm going to take this off. This is hilarious. My brows look so thick. So I have the cleanser on this. You're supposed to take it and wipe off any of the residue. So that is that. Oh my god. Let me just take this out. It's starting to get dark outside. This kit was actually like, I'm kind of surprised. Like, it's my fault. The eyelashes are like really janked up because like that's my fault because I didn't do it right. And the eye pads, like the eyelid pads were slipping around. But I think next time I'll use a different size and see how that works out. But my eyebrows are really like good, like at the front especially. There's no hairs like going in or anything. So I'm actually really happy. Oh my god. So guys, I 100% recommend this kit. I did wrong obviously on the lashes, as you can see, because only like some of them are up. You know, like there's like a few up on this side. There's like all this patch up there. This is really good. It's super, super, super good to have this as like a money saver, because this kit was like $20, and I know to get a lash lift is like around 75 Canadian, like, if not more, maybe less, depending on where you go, who you know. But like I just did lashes and brows. I messed up on the lashes, I know. The brows actually look pretty good though. I did both for less than $20 because this kit is supposed to last like 5 times. I feel like you can make it last more than that though. The reason why they say 5 times is because there's only like 5 sets of eyelid pads, but like you can reuse those. They're like rubber, they're actually pretty sturdy. So I just cleaned mine as I was doing my eyebrows and put them back in the kit. And same with this little Y brush here, you can reuse this as well. If you do buy this kit, just be careful. I got it in my eyes. Luckily nothing happened to me, but it was like burning for like the 15 minutes I had it in there. Probably should have taken it out, but I mean, I'm fine now, so whatever. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one when I'm like, you know, snipping my hair off. Follow me on Instagram at abigails_makeup. That's where I post mostly eye looks now. I'm kind of starting to stray away from videos and full face pictures. Yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much. Bye guys.